Okay guys, so this is the main event of the third sequel ng Blow by Blow, Mandaluyong City. And of course, ang maglalaban po, Battle of Undefeated, Kenneth Liover of Peñalosa Boxing Stable, 7 wins with 5 knockouts, versus Benny Cañete of Omega Boxing Stable, Cebu City, 7 wins with 6 wins, coming by way of a knockout. So base sa record ng dalawa, someone's O has got to go. Yan ang ating aantayin. Yan ang ating panonoorin. And this is your sportsman to give you the commentating. Round 1 has begun. Ito na po. Both boxers are on the southwest stands. Bumabato ng mga jabs. Tahimik pa. Jab again. No, I'm recording it. Tahimik pa at nagpapakiramdaman dito. Pati mga nanonood, tahimik. Kenneth Liover, lover boy, through combination sa bodega. Hindi umabot. Ken at samantalang si Benny Cañete, tumatempo, left straight by Benny Cañete and the right hook sa Maglay. Double jab by Benny Cañete. Magandang laban to. And guys, this is a 10-rounder bout. 118 pounds, so bantamweight division to. Body shot by Liover. Then double jab sa pangiti. At sumang-ayon itong si Benny Cañete, he acknowledge yung puntos na yon mula kay Kenneth Liover. The left is straight, pakiramdaman, and then body shot, and then another body shot there. Combination ni Kenneth Liover, Peñalosa Boxing Stable, ng Libis, Quezon City. Jab, papalitan sila at medyo nagkayakapan. Oh, what a great round. We still have 1 minute and 10 seconds left dito sa round number 1. Nasa gitna ng ring ang dalawa. Palitan ng jab. Magpapakiramdaman. Nag-aamuyan pa. Sinisilip ang weakness ng isa. Looping right hook jab ang binitawan nitong si Kenneth Liover. At mukhang dumapo ng bahagya. Then another jab. Ang bibilis na gumalaw nitong mga ito at mga disiplinado na when it comes to throwing punches. Yung kanilang mga punch selections, talagang yung maayos na. Hindi na sila basta-basta bumabato ng mga suntok na alam mo lang hindi tatanong. Final 20 seconds left dito sa round number 1, and this is a pretty even round. I have Kenneth Liover slightly ahead dito. Benny Cañete through combination, but Kenneth Liover ducked under, and then Kenneth Liover through combination, same din ang sinagot ni Benny Cañete. Final seconds. Jab by Kenneth Liover. We're going to the second round. Kenneth Liover versus Benny Cañete, battle of undefeated. So far, I have the first round slight. I think Kenneth Liover is slightly ahead of my scorecard, unofficial scorecard, because the first round. He's throwing more punches, he's more active. Just like that, still throwing those combinations sa bodega. And guys, this is a 10-rounder bout. So yung mga hangin itong dalawang to, solid. Another combination from Kenneth Liover. Hindi pa tumatama. At maganda yung pinapakitang footwork nitong si Benny Cañete. Benny Cañete bumato. 1-2 pero sumablay. Kenneth Liover bumato na jab, another jab. And then he circles the ring, he bounces. Circling to the right. Then the right connected by Benny Cañete. And some dirty boxing there. Balik sa gitna ng ring ang dalawang mga boksingero. Another body jab by Kenneth Liover. From the start, yun talaga yung nakikita natin, ano? Kenneth Liover is trying to dig into the body of Benny Cañete while Benny Cañete is trying to target yung mukha nito si Kenneth Liover. Another jab by Kenneth Liover. Then another jab. Nauna doon si Kenneth Liover. Yung counter ni Benny Cañete, hindi tumama. Kenneth Liover to a straight left. Sablay, naka-atras at naka-ilag doon si Benny Cañete. Another right jab from Kenneth Liover. Mas active siya rito and yung kanyang mga punch selections, ano, medyo okay. And yun na nga, yung maganda rito kasi, of course, when it comes to boxing, if knockout, hindi dumating ang knockout you should know how to score points. Kasi mahirap kung hindi ka basta-basta bumabato. Nakakapanghinayang. Alam naman natin na malalakas ang mga suntok nito mga to. But of course, papaano kung hindi makatama? And I think yun ang ginagawa dito ni Kenneth Liover. Kenneth Liover is rocking on points habang itong si Benny Cañete is trying to throw heavy palms. Dalawang magkasunod na 1-2 ang binitawan doon ng Benny Cañete. Still have 1 minute and 32 seconds left dito sa round number 2. Right hook, the left straight coming from Kenneth Liover. Tumama yung kanyang right. And then another overhand left that landed. At ito, kino-corner ni Benny Cañete si Kenneth Liover sa red corner. And then wisely, yumakap at kumapit ito si Kenneth Liover. Final 10 seconds, mga idol. Combinations from Benny Cañete. Mawak lang si Kenneth Liover. End of the round. Mag-start na po ang round number 3. Sabi ni referee Baiza, atras naman na Kenneth Liover. And ito, nagsisimula na tayo. Still disiplinado ang dalawa, hindi basta-basta bumabato para hindi sila ma-outbalance at maging target sa mga counter. Combination again from Kenneth Liover, 1, 2, 3. Another kanan, masipag sumantok itong si Kenneth Liover. There you go, another jab. Naghahanap ng tiyempo, counter itong si Benny Cañete as he tries to corner Kenneth Liover dun sa neutral corner. Some combination from Benny Cañete pero sa lag. And then right hook landed there by Kenneth Liover. One, two coming from Benny Cañete. Medyo sumablay. Right hook. Napakapit doon. Left straight, nagsagutan yung dalawang boksingero. This is a pretty even round, although medyo mas aktibo dito sa early part itong si Kenneth Liover. And right now, kumakounter at kino-corner ni Benny Cañete itong si Liover, but Liover sides step sa kanyang kanan, umikot at lumipat sa kabilang corner. Another right hook jab. At ito, mautak ang ginagawa nito si Kenneth Liover whenever he felt na atake na itong si Benny Cañete sa corner at masisilo siya dun sa kanto. Yung mayakap na siya. 1, 2. And jab. Another right. Tumama naman. Sumagot ng uppercut si Benny Cañete. Malalaman yung mga binibitawan ng dalawang boksingero na to. Parang it's a matter of time. Sooner or later, magkakatamaan ito na malalakas sa suntok. Combination there. Palitan sila. Headlock. Benny Cañete. Pinareferee. Inawat. Tuloy ang laban. Final 40 seconds dito sa round number 3. Jab again by Kenneth Liover. The left, overhand left. Overhand left then from Benny Cañete sa leg. From Kenneth Liover. Final 10 seconds. This is round number 3. of the round. Okay, guys, so we are on the 4th round. So far, I have Kenny Oliveira ahead on points. He's more active, he's throwing more punches, he's landing more punches.
Kanina ka boto din niya? Kanina ka boto?
Tough fight to eh. Punch landed by Kenneth Oliveira. Nagkahiyawan saglit, thinking na medyo nasaktan ito si Benny Cañete, but looks like Benny Cañete is in tip-top shape, same as Kenneth Oliveira, kaya kayang-kaya nila sumalo ng mga suntok na gano'n, kalakasan. Right hook. Hogan. Balik sa gitna ng ring. So this is the 4th round, ladies and gentlemen. Sportsmanda here, Barangay Mauway, Mandaluyong City. 3rd sequel po ng Blow by Blow in Mandaluyong, as far as I believe. Yung 2nd, hindi ako nakapunta eh. And this is a wise move for Kenneth Oliveira. Whenever he is on the corner, when he felt na medyo na-atake na itong si Benny Cañete, he wisely steps in para yakapin yung si Cañete para hindi na matuloy yung kanyang atake. And there you go. It looks like one leg takedown sana ang gagawin doon ni Kenneth Oliveira. And this is very frustrating part of Benny Cañete kasi hindi tumatama yung kanyang mga combination at yung kanyang pagkukunan dito kay Kenneth Oliveira. Kenneth Oliveira nagiging mautak. Sinasabi ng magulang, ginagamit yung IQ dito sa laban. 1-2 from Kenneth Oliveira. It's a battle of will. It's a battle of toughness. It's a battle of conditioning. And there you go, double leg takedown from Kenneth Oliveira. Nakakapagod yung ganun mga idol. Less than a minute of a second left. Benny Cañete fainting, and then Kenneth Oliveira threw a 1-2, but Benny Cañete ducked under. Both boxers missing right now. Left straight coming from Benny Cañete, and then right to the body. Medyo mababa. No blow daw, sabi ni referee by Abainza. Saglit. Tinanong kung okay na si Kenneth Oliveira. Fight continues. Game. Final 10 seconds dito sa 4th round. 1-2. Hindi pa talaga magkatamaan. Magaganda ng galawan ng dalawang boksingero na ito. Round number 5. Kenneth Oliveira versus Benny Cañete, headlining Blow by Blow here in Mandaluyong, the 3rd sequel. Of course, this presented to you by Manny Pacquiao, Mayor Ben Abalos Sr. And of course, Barangay Captain Evangelista ng Barangay Mauway. Nakakahiyawan ng mga tao because of those punches and combination. Kanyang dalawa. Again, Oliveira is on the ropes. Naman siya doon sa bodega. At sunod pa yun to stop Cañete on his tracks. Pabalik sa gitna ng ring. Another low blow daw, sabi ni referee. Balik sa neutral corner yung dalawa. Let's check sa slow motion. Copy tayo sa top right ng ating screen. Let's see. Ay, dalawang medyo mababa parehas. Fight continues. 2 blows landed, medyo mababa. Kahit ako may Benny Cañete. Kenneth Rivera circling to the left of Benny Cañete. Elmer siya. 1, 2, 3 punch combo. Yumakap, sabi ni referee. Parang gusto niyang yakapin. Kenneth Rivera, yung mga binti nito si Benny Cañete. 1 minute and 15 seconds left dito sa round number 5. And right now, Benny Cañete is on the attack. Medyo low blow na naman daw. Nagre-reklamo si Kenneth Rivera. But fight continues, sabi ni referee. And it looks like kakayakapan. Left landed by Kenneth Rivera. They embraced. Combination again. Left. So there, medyo mababa. Yung banat na yun ni Kenneth Rivera. Nagsisigaw ng mga tao na Lover Boy. Chanting pabor dito kay Kenneth Rivera. Final 10 seconds. So far, this is a good round for Benny Cañete. Left-handed there by Kenneth Rivera. Another left. End of the round. Of 10. Kenneth Rivera versus Benny Cañete. Battle of undefeated here in Barangay Mauay, Mandaluyong. Blow by blow, part 3. Referee is giving instructions. Patuloy ang inyong laban. Huwag magyakapan. Huwag man sumpuhan below the belt. I think yun ang referee instruction na binigay dito. Benny Cañete transiting to the body of Kenneth Rivera, and right now Benny Cañete is more active. He is on the pressure. He is on the attack. At itong si Kenneth Rivera sa sideline, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then Benny Cañete through combination but missed. Compared sa hand speed, medyo mas mabilis yung kamay nitong si mga kamay nitong si Kenneth Rivera, no? Pero when it comes to heavy blows, I believe mas matindi at medyo mas madiin yung mga suntok nitong si Benny Cañete. The right hook landed there by Kenneth Rivera. Wesley steps out. Danger. Headlock by Benny Cañete. Wala masyadong action dito. Whenever medyo nasa inside yung dalawang boxing yan. Nagayak na sila. 1, 2, 3. Mama yung kaliwa doon ni Kenneth Rivera. Again in the corner. Yun ang wise move ni Kenneth Rivera. Another jab by Kenneth Rivera. Another jab. Looping the right jab. The left straight. Circles the ring. Going to his left. Again, nasa corner siya. Nasa red corner. Which is yun ang gusto nitong si Benny Cañete. Pero tulad ng ginagawa ni Kenneth Rivera from the beginning, whenever he's cornered, yayakap siya. Pagdating sa foot movement, mas magalaw itong si Kenneth Rivera. Talang ito si Benny Cañete, gusto niyang ipin sa corner itong si Kenneth Rivera. so that he can throw his heavy combination. Hopefully mag-land. 1-2-3 punch there by Kenneth Rivera, and then steps out. Then another 1-2. There you go. Tumama yung kaliwa doon. Benny Cañete. And then nagsabot na yung dalawa. Final 10 seconds. Again, this is a pretty close round. Tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging decision ng mga judges dito. Start of the round. Another instructions being given by the referee. Hindi natin marinig mamaya. Tanungin natin si referee kung ano ang sinasabi. Tahimik pa. Both boxers landed. Medyo natulak ko si Benny Cañete. Left straight landed there by Kenneth Rivera. He steps out, another uppercut. Benny Cañete is trying to throw his own combination. Then body shot. Kaya up against Kenneth Rivera. Gotta work, Benny. Body shot again. Benny Cañete. Gustong gumante ni Kenneth Rivera. Ito medyo nakakapipunan na. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari dito sa laban. Of course, ayaw nilang madungisan ang kanilang mga record. That is why this fight is very interesting. Combination. Benny Cañete that landed on the Cañete. Naglandon sa bodega. Ito si Loverboy. It looks like Loverboy medyo ininda niya yung nasuntok na yan. Sigawan ng mga tao. Final 55 seconds dito sa round. And this is a good round for Benny Cañete. And I think Kenneth Rivera is feeling the power ng mga binibitawang suntok ni Benny Cañete. 1-2 coming from Kenneth Rivera, and then 1-2-3. The body, then over 1-2, then uppercut, then Benny Cañete starts answering, and Kenneth Rivera patras. Let's see, parang nagkaroon ng damage, ng injury. Let's check. Check ng ring physician. Okay lang. Okay lang. Diretso ang laban. Accidental clash of heads. Causing po ng injury, causing a cut dito, I believe sa kanang kilay. Yan itong si Kenneth Rivera. Head of the round. Okay, papasok na tayo sa round number 9. Battle of undefeated, Kenneth Rivera versus Benny Cañete. At eto, chinecheck ni referee, masyado atang marami ang inyong grease, ang inyong pinahid sa mukha. Foundation ni Kenneth Rivera. Fight continues. Inalis lang yung counting petroleum jelly. Right now, still Benny Cañete is the one pressing the action. Round 2 connected there by Kenneth Rivera. Steps out. Samantalang diretso pa rin yung atake ni Benny Cañete. Benny Cañete throwing heavy leathers doon sa bodega ni Kenneth Rivera, but umikot lang si Kenneth Rivera doon sa gilid. Left straight. Naghihiyawan yung mga fans ng bawat mga boksingero every time na nakakapag-connecta sila ng mga malalakas na suntok. Jab by Benny Cañete sablay, and then they embraced. Sabi na referee, diretso, sabi ni referee, dirty boxing. Kenneth Rivera connected, and wrist, umikot. Medyo nakababa na yung mga gloves ni Benny Cañete. 1, 2. Nagkapatiran. Maganda pa yung bounce dito ni Kenneth Rivera. Benny Cañete still on the attack. He's still very dangerous at this point. Benny Cañete scores there. What a fight. What a straight left connected by Kenneth Rivera. 1, 2, 3. This is a great fight. Kahit na matalo rito mga idol, wala kang tulad na bigyan. These fighters are giving everything. Nakalitan sila at medyo mas mabilis. Tenth and final round, ladies and gentlemen. Someone else has got to go unless maging draw po yung laban. Kenneth Rivera versus Benny Cañete dito sa Barangay Mauway, Mandaluyong City, ang third sequel ng Blow by Manny Pacquiao. And of course, the Mayor Ben Abalos, Senior of Mandaluyong. And of course, si Kapitan Evangelista ng Barangay Mauway. Left door connected by Kenneth Rivera. And then, napapatras itong si Benny Cañete. But Benny Cañete is trying to answer pero medyo mabigat na yung kanyang mga kamao. And it looks like base dito, medyo pagod na itong si Benny Cañete. Some combination there from Benny Cañete, but missed. Sabi ni referee, let's get it on. This is the final round. Let's give the fans what they want. They embraced them sa corner, sa blue corner. Medyo nakakaramdam na rin ang pagod itong dalawang boksingero, guys. Imagine, they are fighting continuously for 27 minutes. Yan ang katitindi dito. Combination by Kenneth Rivera. Sablay. Body shot. Blue state. Body shot by Benny Cañete. Blue tape. Nakita ni referee. Sinoksak lang sa gilid. Fight continues. We still have 1 minute and 17 seconds left. Pero sumasagot. Sasabayan na sila dito sa corner. And Kenneth Rivera wisely raised. Parang mabibilang na lang ng mga binibitaw ni Coach Kenneth Rivera. Benny Cañete. And right now, Benny Cañete is desperate to throw those heavy bombs. I'm not sure kung naiisip niya na he's behind on points. But of course, ang mga judges po ang makakapagbigay ng linaw dito sa laban na to. Dahil na naman ako. 1-2 from Kenneth Lever. Missed. Under. Okay, we final 30 seconds of the 10th and final round. Kenneth Lever. Body shot landed by Benny Cañete. Sumagot. No blow there. Inabot sa hita. Itong si Kenneth Lever. Right hook on the 1-2. Final 10 seconds. Let's see. Bigyan mo na referee. Agad, right to landed. Parang naiinag si Benny Cañete. What a fight! What a fight!
Greg Ortega scoring 96-94. Judge Danilo Lopez scoring 96-94. We have a unanimous decision